Welcome back, Tech Newbies. My name is Don. Are you looking for a feature-packed security camera that won't break the bank? Well, look no further, because today we're gonna take a look at the Wyze Cam B3. Is this a wise security investment? Let's go.
Tech Newbies.
This video is not sponsored. I bought this unit with my own money, so no bias here. The package arrived in the usual blue Lazada packaging. Opening up the package, it was quite assuring that the seller bubble wrapped the item, so much so that it was very difficult to open. The Wyze Cam B3 supports both Apple and Android devices. On the side, it shows that it supports Google Home, Alexa, and IFTTT. On the back is just a picture of the unit. On the other side, it shows some of the features like 1080p resolution, IP65 weather resistance, two-way audio, 24/7 recording, free 12-second cloud storage, motion and sound detection, color night vision, full-length motion recording, and person detection. Opening the box, you have the quick start guide. Then you have the Wyze Cam B3 unit. The unit has a small speaker on the back. It has a built-in stand which is magnetic, and on the bottom, you have the setup button and the micro SD card slot. There's also a flat USB cable that's quite long, and of course the power adapter. Also included are the screws you need to mount the camera and a metal ring with 3M adhesive. Here's the complete contents of the package. In front of the camera, you have the status LED, lens, and the microphone. To set up the unit, download and install the Wyze app. If this is your first time to use the app, you'll need to register. After completing the registration, open the app, click on New Device, and select Wyze Cam V3. Now plug your Wyze Cam V3 using the provided USB cable and adapter, and click on Next on the app. Press the Setup button on the bottom of the camera and wait for the prompt.
Ready to connect.
Click on I heard ready to connect. If you haven't enabled your location on your phone, you can do so now, then click Next. Select Allow Only when using
Ready
the
to
app.
connect.
Enter your network's SSID and password and click on Next. By the way, this unit only works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi frequency. Scan the QR code on the app with your
QR
Wisecam
code
V3
scanned.
and wait for the
Please wait.
prompt. Tick I heard QR code scanned and click Next and wait for the setup process to complete.
Setup completed.
Now name your Wisecam V3 to whatever name you want and click Finish. After completing the setup process, you'll need to update your firmware. Just follow the prompt and wait for it to complete and you are done. If you like this type of content, help me out by subscribing to my channel. Hit that bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Your support is very much appreciated. Once completed, you can now mount your Wisecam V3 to wherever you wish to install it. Now let's have a short walkthrough of the app. Clicking on the Events tab will show you all the recordings that your Wisecam V3 has captured. If you have subscribed to the Plus service, you can select Person and or Motion. If you have other Wisecams installed, you can select them in a drop-down menu. The Monitoring tab brings you to the Wyze Home Monitoring service, which is subscription-based. If you have other Wyze products, they can work as a security monitoring for your home using this service. On the Shop tab, you have other Wyze products that you can purchase. On the Account tab, you have the notification settings, firmware update, rules history, and app settings to name a few. Clicking on your installed Wisecam V3 will bring you to the live feed. It takes a few seconds to establish a connection, but for me, this is acceptable. Here you can hear the sound being captured by the Wisecam. Record the clip, turn speak using the two-way audio, take a snapshot, and others. Clicking on the gear icon on the upper right opens the Wisecam settings. You can fine-tune the motion and sound detection sensitivity and define the detection zones. Event recording allows you to toggle motion and sound detection. Notifications allows you to toggle which events will send you a notification. In alarm settings, you can toggle smoke alarm sound and carbon monoxide alarm sound. Advanced settings allows you to toggle the micro SD recording, which is 24/7, and other settings like status light, rotate image, etc. In accessories, you can configure the optional spotlight if you have one. In schedule, you can specify rules like when there's motion detected within a specified time. The camera siren will sound off. And a few other settings that are self-explanatory. Here is the mic test for the Wyze Cam B3.
Wyze Cam B3 mic test. This is how loud the mic is.
Notice that there's a bit of a lag in audio, but for me, this is acceptable given its price. And here is the night color shot, which is quite bright considering that the only light source during this time was the lamp post. The Wyze Cam V3 can also be integrated with Alexa to enable viewing of live feed to your Echo Show device.
Alexa, show gate cam.
Okay.
However, there's a bit of a lag when connecting. Although the two-way radio worked in the Wyze app, unfortunately, it does not work in Echo Show. I wish Wyze could fix this. Yes, it has some pitfalls, but for the features it offers at this price point, the Wyze Cam V3 is a solid budget option for your security camera. That's it for this video. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. Peace.